Surah Al-Anbiya. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 112 verses and 7 sections.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
The reckoning of the people is near, and they have turned their faces in negligence.
ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون.
When new advice comes to them from their Lord, consequently they do not listen to it except in a playful manner.
لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
Their hearts are involved in play, and the unjust consulted with each other secretly. That who is this? Is he merely another a human like you? So, do you go to him because of his magic whilst you are seeing it?
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
The beloved Prophet Muhammad said, My Lord knows every word spoken in the heavens and in the earth, and only He is the all-hearing, all-knowing.
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
Rather, they said, these revelations are confusing dreams. Rather, it is his fabrication. Rather, he is a poet. He must therefore bring us some sign, just like the former had been sent with miracles.
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
No people of any town which we destroyed before them believed, so will they believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
And we did not send prophets before you except men, to whom we sent revelations. Therefore, O people, ask the people of knowledge if you do not know.
وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين.
And we did not create them as mere bodies that ate no food, and nor did we make them to live in the world forever.
ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
We then fulfilled our promise to them. We henceforth rescued them and whoever else we willed, and destroyed the transgressors.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
We have indeed sent down towards you a book, O people of Quraysh, in which is your potential glorification. So, do you not have sense?
وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين.
And how many towns we have destroyed that were unjust, and we created another nation after them.
فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم منها يركضون.
And when they received our punishment, they immediately started fleeing therefrom.
لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
Do not flee and return to the comforts that were given to you and to your homes. Perhaps you will be asked.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Woe to us, we were indeed unjust."
فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
So they kept saying this until we made them cut off, extinguished.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we have not created the heavens and the earth and what is between them in vain.
لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين.
Had we willed to choose any amusement, we could have chosen it from ourselves if we wanted to do so.
بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
Rather we strike falsehood with the truth, it therefore knocks out its brains. Thereupon it vanishes, and woe to you for those utterances which you fabricate concerning Allah.
وله ما في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون.
And only to him belong all those who are in the heavens and in the earth, and those angels with him are not arrogant towards worshipping him, nor do they tire.
يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون.
They glorify him night and day, and they are not lazy in this regard.
أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون.
Have they appointed from the earth some such gods that they create something?
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
If there were gods other than Allah in the heavens and the earth, they would have therefore definitely been destroyed. Thus, purity be to Allah, Master of the throne, from the matters that they fabricate.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He, Allah, is not to be questioned what He does, and they, the people, will all be questioned.
أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
Have they taken other gods except Allah? Say you, O beloved, bring your proof. This Quran is the remembrance of those who are with me and remembrance of those before me. Rather, most of them do not know the truth, hence they turn away from it.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
And we did not send any messenger before you, but we would reveal to him that there is no God except me, hence only worship me.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, the Most Gracious has chosen a son. purity is to him. Rather, they, the angels, are honorable bondsmen.
لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون.
They do not precede him in speech, and they act upon only his command.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and they do not intercede except for him whom he, Allah, likes, and they are in fear of his awe.
ومن يقل منهم إني إله من دونه فذلك نجزيه جهنم كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
And the one amongst them who says, I am a God other than Allah, we shall consequently recompense him with hell. This is how we punish the transgressors.
أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون.
Did the disbelievers not perceive that the heavens and the earth were closed up as one piece? We henceforth opened, i.e., parted them, and we made every living thing from water. So, will they not believe?
وجعلنا في الأرض رواسي أن تبيد بهم وجعلنا فيها فجاجا سبلا لعلهم يهتدون.
And we have placed mountains as anchors in the earth, that it may not tremble with them, people. And we kept wide paths therein, that they may find their way.
وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون.
And we have made the sky a protected roof, and they turn away from its signs.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون.
And it is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each one floats in an orbit.
وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون.
And before you, we did not make in the world a never-ending life for any human. So, will they remain eternally if you, O beloved, depart from this world?
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
Every soul must taste the flavor of death, and we test you with evil and with good for a trial, and only to us are you to return.
وإذا رآك الذين كفروا إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي يذكر آلهتكم وهم بذكر الرحمن هم كافرون.
And when the disbelievers see you, they do not take you but as a mockery. Is he the one who speaks ill of your gods? And they deny the remembrance of the Most Gracious.
خلق الإنسان من عجل سأريكم آياتي فلا تستعجلون.
Mankind has been made to be hasty. I shall now show you my signs. Do not be hasty with me.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise of punishment occur if you are truthful?
لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون.
Had the disbelievers somehow know the time when they will not be able to stop the fire from their faces, and nor from their backs, and nor are they to be helped.
بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون.
Rather, it will come upon them suddenly. It will hence make them dumbfounded. They will then not be able to reverse it, nor will they be given respite.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And indeed the messengers before you were mocked, but the mockery of those who mocked encompassed themselves.
قل من يكلؤكم بالليل والنهار من الرحمن بل هم عن ذكر ربهم معرضون.
Say you, O beloved, who guards you night and day from the punishment of the Most Gracious? Rather, they have turned away their faces from the remembrance of their Lord.
أم لهم آلهة تمنعهم من دوننا لا يستطيعون نصر أنفسهم ولا هم منا يصحبون.
Do they have some gods who protect them from us? They cannot save themselves, nor do they have an alliance with us.
بل متعنا هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى طال عليهم العمر أفلا يرون أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها أفهم الغالبون.
Rather, we have given those disbelievers and their forefathers a benefit to the extent that life became long for them. So, do they not see that we are reducing the land of the disbelievers from its borders? So, will they be dominant?
قل إنما أنذركم بالوحي ولا يسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ما ينظرون.
Say you, O beloved, I warn you only through revelation, and the deaf do not hear the call when they are warned.
ولئن مستهم نفحة من عذاب ربك ليقولن يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
And if a breath of your Lord's punishment was to touch them, they would hence definitely say, Woe to us, we were indeed unjust.
ونضع الموازين القسط ليوم القيامة فلا تظلم نفس شيئا وإن كان مثقال حبة من خردل أتينا بها وكفى بنا حاسبين.
And we shall establish the scales of justice on the day of resurrection. No soul will therefore be wronged in the least. And if there be anything even equal to a mustard seed, we will henceforth bring it, and we are sufficient to take account.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى وَهَارُونَ الْفُرْقَانَ وَضِيَاءً وَذِكْرًا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ.
And we indeed gave Musa and Harun judgment, i.e., the Torah, and light and advice for the pious.
الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وهم من الساعة مشفقون.
Those who fear their Lord without seeing, and they are afraid of the last day.
وهذا ذكر مبارك أنزلناه أفأنتم له منكرون.
This is a blessed remembrance which we have sent down. Are you deniers thereof?
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ رُشْدَهُ مِنْ قَبْلُ وَكُنَّا بِهِ عَالِمِينَ.
And we indeed bestowed upon Ibrahim his righteous path from the beginning, and we were aware of him.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون.
When he said to his father and his people, "What are these idols in front of whom you are sitting devotedly to worship?"
قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين.
They said, "We found our forefathers worshipping them."
قال لقد كنتم أنتم وآباؤكم في ضلال مبين.
He, Ibrahim, said, "Indeed, you and your forefathers are all in open error."
قالوا أجئتنا بالحق أم أنت من اللاعبين.
They said, "Have you brought the truth to us, or are you just playing?"
قال بل ربكم رب السماوات والأرض الذي فطرهن وأنا على ذلكم من الشاهدين.
They said, "Have you brought the truth to us, or are you just playing?" He said, "Rather, your Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and the one who created them, and I am amongst the witnesses to this."
وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين.
And I swear an oath by Allah, I shall seek to harm your idols after you have turned your backs.
فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون.
He therefore crushed them all except the biggest amongst them, that perhaps they may question it.
قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين.
They said, "Who has done this to our gods? He is indeed unjust."
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم.
Some amongst them said, "We heard a young man speak ill of them, the one called Ibrahim."
قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
They said, "So bring him in front of the people, perhaps they may testify."
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
They said, "Did you do this to our gods, O Ibrahim?"
قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون.
Said he, "Rather, this big one from them must have done it. So question them if they speak."
فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون.
They therefore turned to themselves and said to one another, "Indeed, only you are unjust."
ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
They were then made to reverse on their heads that, "O Ibrahim, you know well that they do not speak."
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم.
He, Ibrahim, said, "Do you worship other than Allah, who neither benefits you nor harms you?"
أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون.
Shame on you and on those idols whom you worship instead of Allah. So, do you not have intellect?
قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين.
They said, "Burn him and help your gods if you are to do something."
قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم.
We said, "O fire, become cool and peaceful upon Ibrahim."
وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين.
And they wished to cause him harm. We consequently made them the greatest of losers.
ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
And we rescued him and Lut towards that land in which we have placed blessings for the worlds.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب نافلة وكلا جعلنا صالحين.
And we bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub, the grandson of Ibrahim, and we made all of them worthy of our special proximity.
وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
And we made them leaders that they call by our command, and we sent them revelation to do good deeds and to keep salah established and to pay zakah, and they would worship us.
وَلُوطًا آتَيْنَاهُ حُكْمًا وَعِلْمًا وَنَجَّيْنَاهُ مِنَ الْقَرْيَةِ الَّتِي كَانَتْ تَعْمَلُ الْخَبَائِثَ إِنَّهُمْ كَانُوا قَوْمَ سَوْءٍ فاسقين.
And we gave Lut governance and knowledge, and we rescued him from the people of that town which had been doing evil deeds. Indeed, those evil people were disobedient.
وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And we admitted him into our mercy. Indeed, he is amongst those who deserve our special proximity.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
And remember Nuh, when he called us before this, we henceforth answered his supplication and rescued him and his household from the extreme calamity.
ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And we helped him against the people who belied our verses. Indeed, they were evil people. We consequently drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين.
And remember Dawood and Suleiman when they were deciding the dispute of a crop field, when some people's goats had strayed therein at night, and we were present with our knowledge and power at the time of their judgment.
ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين.
And we made Suleiman understand the matter of the goats, and to both we gave kingdom and knowledge, and made the mountains subservient that they would proclaim purity along with Dawood, and also subjected the birds, and these were our actions.
وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
And we taught him, Dawood, to make a garment, i.e., armor for you, to protect you from your injury in wars. So, will you be grateful?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين.
And we made the strong wind subservient to Suleiman, that it would blow by his command towards the land in which we have placed blessing. and we know everything.
ومن الشياطين من يغوصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And amongst the devils were those who would dive in the water for him and would do works other than this, and we had kept them restrained.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
And remember Ayub when he called his Lord that distress has afflicted me, and you are the most merciful of all those who show mercy.
فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
We henceforth answered his supplication, so we removed the adversity that had afflicted him, and we gave him his family, and in addition bestowed along with them more of a similar number by mercy from ourselves and advice for the people who worship.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين.
And remember Ismail and Idris and Dhul-Kifl, all of them were patient.
وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين.
And we admitted them into our mercy. Indeed, they are amongst those who deserve our special closeness.
وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
And remember Zunnun when he departed full of anger, assuming that we would not restrict him, and he therefore called out in the realms of darkness, "There is no God except you. Glory be to you. Indeed, an out-of-place act occurred from me."
فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
We henceforth heard his call and rescued him from grief, and we shall similarly rescue the Muslims.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And remember Zechariah when he called his Lord, "O my Lord, do not leave me alone," i.e. childless, and you are the best inheritor, i.e. eternal.
فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
We henceforth accepted his supplication and bestowed upon him Yahya and improved the condition of his wife for him. Indeed, they would hurry to perform good deeds, and they proclaim to us with hope and fear and are humble in our majestic court.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين.
And remember the Lady Maryam who guarded her chastity. We henceforth breathed our special spirit into her and made her and her son a sign for the entire world.
إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون.
Indeed, this religion of yours, i.e., Islam, is the one religion of all the prophets, and I am your Lord, hence worship me.
وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
And others have split up their matter, i.e., religion, into pieces amongst themselves. All are to return to us.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
So, whosoever does some good deeds and is a believer, his efforts will not therefore be disregarded, and we are recording it.
وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون.
And it is unlawful for the people of such a town which we have destroyed that they may return back.
حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون.
Until the time when Ya'juj and Ma'juj will be released, and they will be coming down from every height.
واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين.
And the true promise of the day of judgment has come near. The eyes of the disbelievers will thereupon remain wide open, saying that, woe to us, undoubtedly we were heedless of this, rather we were unjust.
إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون.
Indeed, you and all that you worship other than Allah are the fuel of hell. You are to go therein.
لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون.
Had these been gods, they would not have gone into hell, and they are all to abide therein forever.
لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
They will bray therein and not be able to hear anything in it.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون.
Indeed, those to whom our promise of goodness, i.e., paradise has been made, they have been kept far away from hell.
لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
And they will not hear its faintest sound, and they will forever abide in bounties which their hearts desire.
لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
The greatest fear will not aggrieve them, and the angels will welcome them, saying that, this is that day of yours which you were promised.
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
The day when we shall roll up the heavens as the angels' sigils roll up the books of deeds. Just like we made it first, we shall similarly restore it. This is a promise upon our responsibility. We shall certainly do it.
وَلَقَدْ كَتَبْنَا فِي الزَّبُورِ مِن بَعْدِ الذِّكْرِ أَنَّ الْأَرْضَ يَرِثُهَا عِبَادِيَ الصَّالِحُونَ.
And we indeed wrote after the admonition in the Zabur that my virtuous bondsmen will inherit this earth.
إِنَّ فِيهَا
this Quran is sufficient for the worshippers.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
And we did not send you, O beloved, but as mercy for all the worlds.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say you, O beloved, I receive only this revelation, that you have no God but one Allah. Do you therefore become Muslims?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
Then, if they turn away their faces from Islam, so say, O beloved, I have declared a war against you on equal terms. And what do I know, without being informed by Allah, whether the promise which is given to you is close or afar?
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Indeed, Allah knows whatever is said loudly and knows what you conceal.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
And what do I know on my own accord? It may be a trial for you and an enjoyment for just a while.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
And the beloved Prophet submitted that, O my Lord, make true judgment, and only the help of our Lord, the most gracious, is required against that which you fabricate. Surah Al-Hajj. This surah is Madani, containing 78 verses in 10 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم.
O people, fear your Lord. Indeed, the earthquake of the day of judgment is a very severe thing.
يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد.
The day when you will see it, every suckling one will forget her infant whom she suckled, and every pregnant one will discharge her fetus, and you will see people as if they are drunk, whereas they will not be intoxicated. But the fact is this, that the punishment of Allah is very severe.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ويتبع كل شيطان مريد.
And amongst the people are some who argue concerning Allah without knowledge and follow blindly every rebellious devil.
كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير.
The devil upon whom it has been written that whoever will befriend him, so he, the devil, will definitely mislead him and will show him the path to the punishment of hell.
يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج.
O people, if you doubt revival on the day of resurrection, ponder therefore upon this, that we created you from dust, then from a drop of liquid, then from a clot of blood, then from a piece of flesh formed and unformed, so that we show our signs for you. And we keep whomsoever we will in the wombs of mothers up to an appointed time, then extract you as an infant, then gave you age for this reason, that you may reach your maturity. And amongst you is the one who dies earlier, and amongst you is the one who is made to face the most hopeless, i.e., old age, that after knowing knows nothing. And you see the earth deserted. Then when we sent down water upon it, it became fresh and developed and produced beautiful pairs of all types.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير.
This is because only Allah is the truth, and because He will revive the dead, and because He is able to do all things.
وأن الساعة آتية لا ريب فيها وأن الله يبعث من في القبور.
And because the last day is going to come, there is no doubt in it, and because Allah will raise those who are in the graves.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
And there is the one who argues concerning Allah neither having knowledge, nor any proof, nor any clear writings.
ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق.
Having turned his neck away from the truth in order to mislead others from the way of Allah, for him is disgrace in this world, and we shall make him taste the punishment of fire on the day of resurrection.
ذلك بما قدمت يداك وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
This is the recompense of what your hands have sent ahead, and Allah does not oppress the bondsmen.
ومن الناس من يعبد الله على حرف فإن أصابه خير اطمأن به وإن أصابته فتنة انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
And there are some men who worship Allah on an edge. Then, when some good reached them, they are satisfied. And if some trial came to them, they turned away upon their faces, i.e., became apostates. A loss of both this world and the hereafter. Only this is clear loss.
يدعو من دون الله ما لا يضره وما لا ينفعه ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
They worship such other than Allah, which neither harms them nor benefits them. Only this is far misguidance.
يدعو لمن ضره أقرب من نفعه لبئس المولى ولبئس العشير.
They worship such from whom more harm is expected than benefit. Indeed, what an evil master, and indeed what an evil friend.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار إن الله يفعل ما يريد.
Indeed, Allah will admit those who believed and did good deeds into gardens beneath which rivers flow. Indeed, Allah does whatever He wills.
من كان يظن أن لن ينصره الله في الدنيا والآخرة فليمدد بسبب إلى السماء ثم ليقطع فلينظر هل يذهبن كيده ما يغيظ.
Therefore, whoever assumes that Allah will not help His Prophet Muhammad in this world and the hereafter, let him extend a rope upwards and hang himself, and then see whether this trick of his has taken away some of that for which his heart is burning.
وكذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد.
And the matter is this, that we sent down this Quran as clear verses, and this, that Allah guides whomsoever He wills.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن الله يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة إن الله على كل شيء شهيد.
Indeed, the Muslims and the Jews and the Sabians, i.e., the star worshippers and the Christians and the fire worshippers and the polytheists, Allah will indeed decide between all of them on the day of resurrection. Indeed, everything is before Allah.
ألم تر أن الله يسجد له من في السماوات ومن في الأرض والشمس والقمر والنجوم والجبال والشجر والدواب وكثير من الناس وكثير حق عليه العذاب ومن يهن الله فما له من مكرم إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Did you not see those who are in the heavens and in the earth prostrate to Allah, and the sun and the moon and the stars and the mountains and the trees and the animals and many people? And there are many upon whom punishment has been decreed. And he whom Allah causes to become disgraced, there is no one to give him honor. Indeed, Allah does whatever He wills.
هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم.
These are the two groups who fought concerning their Lord. So, those who disbelieved, garments of fire have been tailored for them, and boiling water will be poured over their heads.
يصهر به ما في بطونهم والجلود.
With which will melt what is in their bellies, and their skins will also be burnt.
ولهم مقامع من حديد.
And for them are rods of iron to beat them up.
كلما أرادوا أن اخرجوا منها من غم أعيدوا فيها وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Whenever they would wish to come out thereof due to suffocation, they will be turned back to it again, and it will be commanded, taste the punishment of the fire.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
Indeed, Allah will admit those who believed and did good deeds into gardens beneath which rivers flow. Therein they will be made to wear bracelets of gold and pearls, and therein their garments is of silk.
وهدوا إلى الطيب من القول وهدوا إلى صراط الحميد.
And they were guided to the pure statement of faith, and they were shown the path of the most praiseworthy.
إن الذين كفروا ويصدون عن سبيل الله والمسجد الحرام الذي جعلناه للناس سواء العاكف فيه والباد ومن يرد فيه بإلحاد بظلم نذقه من عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who have disbelieved and prevent others from the way of Allah and from the sacred mosque, which we have appointed for all people, that its resident and visitors have the same rights therein, and whoever wrongfully intends injustice therein, we shall make him taste a painful punishment.
وَإِذْ بَوَّأْنَا لِإِبْرَاهِيمَ مَكَانَ الْبَيْتِ أَلَّا تُشْرِكْ بِي شَيْئًا وَطَهِّرْ بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْقَائِمِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ.
And remember when we showed Ibrahim the right place of that house, i.e., the Kaaba, and commanded that do not ascribe anything as a partner to me, and keep my house clean for those who perform tawaf and those who perform i'tikaf, i.e., devotional seclusion therein, and those who bow and prostrate.
وَأَذِّن فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا وَعَلَى كُلِّ ضَامِرٍ يَأْتِينَ مِنْ كُلِّ فَجٍّ عَمِيقٍ.
And publicly announce regarding Hajj amongst the people, they will come to you on foot and on every skinny she-camel, coming from every far distant path.
ليشهدوا منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فكلوا منها وأطعموا البائس الفقير.
In order that they may gain their benefit and mention the name of Allah on the known days, because He has provided for them the mute animals. So eat from them yourselves and feed the distressed and the destitute.
ثم ليقضوا تفثهم وليوفوا نذورهم وليطوفوا بالبيت العتيق.
They must then remove their dirt and fulfill their pledges and perform tawaf of the free house, i.e., the Kaaba.
ذلك ومن يعظم حرمات الله فهو خير له عند ربه وأحلت لكم الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم فاجتنبوا الرجس من الأوثان واجتنبوا قول الزور.
It is the order of Allah, and whosoever reveres the sacred things of Allah, so that is good for him before his Lord. And the mute animals are made lawful to you, except those whose prohibition is recited to you. Therefore, stay far away from the filth of idols and avoid false speech.
حنفاء لله غير مشركين به ومن يشرك بالله فكأنما خر من السماء فتخطفه الطير أو تهوي به الريح في مكان سحيق.
Devoting to one Allah, that do not ascribe any partner to Him, and whoever ascribes partners to Allah is as if he has fallen from the sky, that the birds snatch him or the wind throws him away to a far-off place.
ذلك ومن يعظم شعائر الله فإنها من تقوى القلوب.
The fact is this, and whosoever respects the symbols of Allah, so this is from the piety of their hearts.
لكم فيها منافع إلى أجل مسمى ثم محلها إلى البيت العتيق.
In the cattle are benefits for you up to an appointed time, and they are then to reach to the free house, i.e. the Kaaba.
ولكل أمة جعلنا منسكا ليذكروا اسم الله على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فإلهكم إله واحد فله أسلموا وبشر المخبتين.
And for every nation we have appointed a sacrifice that they should mention the name of Allah over the mute animals which He has provided them. So remember, your God is one God. Submit therefore only in His majestic court and give glad tidings, O beloved, to those humble ones.
الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم والصابرين على ما أصابهم والمقيم الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
That when Allah is mentioned, their hearts begin to fear, and who patiently endure whatever befalls them, and those who keep Salah established, and who spend part of what we have provided to them.
والبدن جعلناها لكم من شعائر الله لكم فيها خير فاذكروا اسم الله عليها صواف فإذا وجبت جنوبها فكلوا منها وأطعموا القانع والمعتر كذلك سخرناها لكم لعلكم تشكرون.
And the large sacrificial animals, the camels and the cows, we have made them amongst the symbols of Allah for you. There is goodness for you in them. Mention therefore the name of Allah over them, whilst one of their legs is tied up and standing on 3 legs. Then, when they are down on their sides after slaughtering, eat from it yourself and feed the one who patiently awaits and the beggar. This is how we have given them in your control, that you may be grateful.
لن ينال الله لحومها ولا دماؤها ولكن يناله التقوى منكم كذلك سخرها لكم لتكبروا الله على ما هداكم وبشر المحسنين.
Neither their flesh nor their blood ever reaches Allah. Yes, your piety reaches Him. This is how we have given them, i.e., the animals in your control, that you may glorify Allah upon this, that He guides you. And O beloved, give glad tidings to the pious.
إن الله يدافع عن الذين آمنوا إن الله لا يحب كل خوان كفور.
Indeed, Allah removes the calamities of the Muslims. Indeed, Allah does not befriend any extremely treacherous, ungrateful person.
أذن للذين يقاتلون بأنهم ظلموا وإن الله على نصرهم لقدير.
Permission to fight back is granted to those Muslims against whom the disbelievers wage war, on the basis of this, that they were oppressed, and Allah is indeed definitely capable of helping them.
الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم بغير حق إلا أن يقولوا ربنا الله ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لهدمت صوامع وبيع وصلوات ومساجد يذكر فيها اسم الله كثيرا ولينصرن الله من ينصره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
Those who were unjustly banished from their homes just because they said, Allah is our Lord, and had Allah not driven back some men by means of other men, the monasteries, churches, synagogues, and mosques in which the name of Allah is abundantly mentioned would definitely have been demolished. And Allah will undoubtedly, definitely help the one who helps His religion. Indeed, Allah is surely all-powerful, ever-dominant.
الذين إن مكناهم في الأرض أقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأمروا بالمعروف ونهوا عن المنكر ولله عاقبة الأمور.
Those people that if we give them control in the land, they would keep salah established and pay zakah and command virtue and forbid evil, and only for Allah is the end of all matters.
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبَتْ قَبْلَهُمْ قَوْمُ نُوحٍ وَعَادٌ وَثَمُودُ.
If these people belie you, O beloved, so the people of Nuh and the tribes of Ad and Thamud have indeed belied before them.
وَقَوْمُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَقَوْمُ لُوطٍ.
And so did the people of Ibrahim and the people of Lut.
وَأَصْحَابُ مَدْيَنَ وَكُذِّبَ مُوسَى فَأَمْلَيْتُ لِلْكَافِرِينَ ثُمَّ أَخَذْتُهُمْ فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَكِيرِ.
And the people of Madian belied their prophet, and Musa too was belied. I henceforth gave the disbelievers respite and then seized them. So, how dreadful was my punishment.
فَكَأَيِّن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ أَهْلَكْنَاهَا وَهِيَ ظَالِمَةٌ فَهِيَ خَاوِيَةٌ عَلَى عُرُوشِهَا وَبِئْرٍ مُّعَطَّلَةٍ وَقَصْرٍ مَّشِيدٍ.
And how many towns did we destroy, that they, its people, were transgressors. They, the towns, have now consequently fallen flat on their roofs. And how many wells are laying unusable, and how many strong places are ruined.
أَفَلَمْ يَسِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَتَكُونَ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ يَعْقِلُونَ بِهَا أَوْ آذَانٌ يَسْمَعُونَ بِهَا فإنها لا تعمى الأبصار ولكن تعمى القلوب التي في الصدور.
So, have they, the disbelievers of Makkah, not traveled in the land to learn a lesson? That they should have hearts to understand with, or ears to hear with. So it is not the eyes that are blind, but it is the hearts in the chest that are blind.
وَيَسْتَعْجِلُونَكَ بِالْعَذَابِ وَلَنْ يُخْلِفَ اللَّهُ وَعْدَهُ وَإِنَّ يَوْمًا عِندَ رَبِّكَ كَأَلْفِ سَنَةٍ مِّمَّا تَعُدُّونَ.
And they ask you in haste for the punishment, and Allah will not make His promise untrue, and there is indeed such a day with your Lord, which is like 1,000 years of your calculation.
وَكَأَيِّن قرية أمليت لها وهي ظالمة ثم أخذتها وإلي المصير.
And how many towns did we give respite, although they, i.e., its people, were oppressors? I then seized them, and only towards me is the return.
قل يا أيها الناس إنما أنا لكم نذير مبين.
Say you, O beloved, that, O people, I am a clear warner to you.
فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
So those who believed and did good deeds, for them is forgiveness and an honorable sustenance.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who strive in our verses in order to reject them with the intention of victory and defeat, they are the people of hell.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول ولا نبي إلا إذا تمنى ألقى الشيطان في أمنيته فينسخ الله ما يلقي الشيطان ثم يحكم الله آياته والله عليم حكيم.
And all the messengers or prophets whom we sent before you, it occurred with all of them at some time that whenever they recited the message, the devil thus included something from his own side in the recitation to the people. So Allah eliminates what the devil casts forth. Then Allah reinforces his verses, and Allah is all-knowing, ever-wise.
ليجعل ما يلقي الشيطان فتنة للذين في قلوبهم مرض والقاسية قلوبهم وإن الظالمين لفي شقاق بعيد.
So that he may make what the devil casts a trial for those in whose heart is a disease and those whose hearts are hardened. Indeed, the unjust are extremely quarrelsome.
وَلِيَعْلَمَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكَ فَيُؤْمِنُوا بِهِ فَتُخْبِتَ لَهُ قُلُوبُهُمْ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَهَادِي الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ.
And so that those who have been given knowledge may know that it is the truth from your Lord, so they may believe in it. Their hearts may therefore submit to it, and Allah indeed enables the believers to walk the straight path.
ولا يزال الذين كفروا في مرية منه حتى تأتيهم الساعة بغتة أو يأتيهم عذاب يوم عقيم.
And the disbelievers will always remain in doubt about it, to the extent that the last day may come upon them suddenly, or may come upon them the punishment of such a day, the fruit of which may not be good for them at all.
الملك يومئذ لله يحكم بينهم فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم.
Only for Allah is the kingdom on that day. He will judge between them. So those who believed and did good deeds are in gardens of peace.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا فأولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
And those who disbelieved and belied our verses, for them is a disgraceful punishment.
والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين.
And those who left their homes and belongings in the way of Allah and were then killed or died, so Allah will definitely provide them good sustenance, and the sustenance bestowed by Allah is indeed the best.
لَيُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ مُدْخَلًا يَرْضَوْنَهُ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَعَلِيمٌ حَلِيمٌ.
He will certainly admit them to a place which they will like, and Allah is indeed all-knowing, most forbearing.
ذلك ومن عاقب بمثل ما عوقب به ثم بغي عليه لينصرنه الله إن الله لعفو غفور.
The fact is this: whosoever retaliates similarly to the affliction he was made to suffer, and he is then victimized again, so Allah will definitely help him. Indeed, Allah is most pardoning, ever forgiving.
ذلك بأن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وأن الله سميع بصير.
This help is because Allah has the power that He inserts the night into a part of the day and inserts the day into a part of the night, and because Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
This is because only Allah is the truth, and what they worship other than Him is itself falsehood, and because only Allah is the High, the Great.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة إن الله لطيف خبير.
Did you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky? The earth thus became green in the morning? Indeed, Allah is pure, all aware.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن الله لهو الغني الحميد.
Only to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and only Allah is indeed the independent, the most praiseworthy.
ألم تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرؤوف رحيم.
Did you not see that Allah has given in your control whatever is in the earth and the ship that moves in the sea by His command? And He has withheld the heaven that it may not fall onto the earth except by His command. Indeed, Allah is most compassionate, most merciful upon the people.
وهو الذي أحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم إن الإنسان لكفور.
And it is He who gave you life, then will cause you to die, then will revive you. Indeed, mankind is very ungrateful.
لكل أمة جعلنا منسكا هم ناسكوه فلا ينازعنك في الأمر وادع إلى ربك إنك لعلى هدى مستقيم.
For each nation we have made rules of worship for them to follow, so never should they quarrel with you in this matter, and call them towards your Lord. Indeed, you are on the straight path.
وإن جادلوك فقل الله أعلم بما تعملون.
And if they quarrel with you, so say, Allah knows well your evil doings.
الله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Allah will judge between you on the day of resurrection concerning what you are disputing.
ألم تعلم أن الله يعلم ما في السماء والأرض إن ذلك في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Did you not realize that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and in the earth? Indeed, all this is in a book, i.e., the preserved tablet. Indeed, this is easy for Allah.
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لم ينزل به سلطانا وما ليس لهم به علم وما للظالمين من نصير.
And they worship such instead of Allah regarding whom He has not sent down any proof, and regarding whom they themselves do not have any knowledge, and there is no helper for the unjust.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات تعرف في وجوه الذين كفروا المنكر يكادون يسطون بالذين يتلون عليهم آياتنا قل أفأنبئكم بشر من ذلكم النار وعدها الله الذين كفروا وبئس المصير.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, you will henceforth see effects of dislike and denial on the faces of the disbelievers. It is close that they may attack those who recite our verses to them. Say you, O beloved, shall I tell you what is worse than your current state? That is the fire. Allah has promised it to the disbelievers, and what a wretched place of return.
يا أيها الناس ضرب مثل فاستمعوا له إن الذين تدعون من دون الله لن يخلقوا ذبابا ولو اجتمعوا له وإن يسلبهم الذباب شيئا لا يستنقذوه منه ضعف الطالب والمطلوب.
O people, an example is related. Listen to it attentively. Those whom you worship other than Allah will never be able to even create a fly, even if they all come together for it. And if a fly snatches away something from them, they cannot even recover that from it. How weak is the seeker and the sought.
ما قدر الله حق قدره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
They did not value Allah as He should be valued. Indeed, Allah is almighty, dominant.
الله يصطفي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah chooses the messengers from the angels and from men. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and towards Allah is the return of all matters.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اركعوا واسجدوا واعبدوا ربكم وافعلوا الخير لعلكم تفلحون.
O believers, bow and prostrate and worship your Lord, and do good deeds in the hope that you may be relieved.
وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده هو اجتباكم وما جعل عليكم في الدين من حرج ملة أبيكم إبراهيم هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير.
And strive in the way of Allah as it should be striven for. He has chosen you and has not kept any hardship upon you in the religion of your father Ibrahim. Allah has named you Muslims in the previous books and in this Quran, so that the messenger be your guardian and witness, and you be witness upon the other people. Therefore, keep salah established and give zakah and hold firm onto the rope of Allah. He is your master, so what an excellent master and what an excellent helper.